Upwork is one of the world's popular freelancing platforms where businesses and clients hire independent professionals for online work. On Upwork, freelancers can offer services such as laptop computer web development, writing hand content writing, artist palette graphic design, mobile phone digital marketing, magnifying glass tilted left SEO, clapperboard video editing, bar chart data entry, robot face AI related services, headphone virtual assistants. How Upwork works. Create an account and build your freelancer profile. Add your skills and portfolio to show clients what you can do. Search for suitable jobs posted by clients. Send proposals explaining why you're a good fit. Get hired and complete the project. Receive payment after successfully completing the work. Why use Upwork? Upwork allows you to work with clients from different countries, build your professional experience, and potentially earn money online. However, getting your first client can take time, so having strong skills, a good profile, and a quality portfolio is important.